exploring the creative world of costume workshops. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of costume workshops. If you've ever wondered where those stunning costumes in movies, theater, and television shows come from, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the magic behind the scenes and understand what a costume workshop truly entails. A costume workshop is a creative studio where costumes are designed, created, and maintained. It's a place bustling with creativity and craftsmanship, where designers and artisans come together to bring characters to life through their costumes. In these workshops, every stitch tells a story, and every fabric choice can reflect a character's journey. In this section, we'll explore the step-by-step process that occurs in a costume workshop. 1. Designing. It all starts with a concept. Designers sketch out costume ideas, keeping in mind the character's personality, the setting of the story, and the director's vision. 2. Fabric selection. The right fabric can speak volumes. Whether it's silk, cotton, or something more avant-garde, the choice of fabric adds depth to the character's portrayal. 3. Pattern making and sewing. Precision is key. Patterns are made, and skilled tailors meticulously sew the costumes, ensuring every detail is perfect. 4. Fittings. No two bodies are the same. Costumes are altered and adjusted in fittings to ensure they fit the actors perfectly. 5. Final touches. Accessories, alterations, and detailing are added to complete the costume's look. Costumes are more than just clothes. They're a narrative tool. A well-crafted costume can define a character. A character's costume can reveal their status, personality, and evolution throughout the story. Reflect the era and setting. Costumes help anchor the story in its specific time and place. Enhance the visual appeal. Eye-catching costumes contribute significantly to the aesthetics of a production, making scenes more compelling and memorable. Running a costume workshop is no small feat. It involves meeting tight deadlines. Productions often work on tight schedules, and costume workshops must keep up. Budget constraints. High-quality materials can be expensive, and workshops must often find creative solutions to stay within budget. Maintaining historical accuracy. For period pieces, ensuring that costumes are historically accurate requires extensive research and attention to detail. In today's journey, we've peeked behind the curtain of costume workshops, discovering the artistry and dedication that go into every fold and seam. These workshops are not just about sewing fabrics. They're about weaving stories, crafting characters, and bringing imaginations to life. We hope you enjoyed this exploration into the world of costume workshops. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. See you in the next video.